Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com forms for data collection. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you directly to your Monday.com workspace where you can access all your boards and tools. Now, once you're inside your workspace, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. You'll see a plus icon there. Click on it to reveal a menu of options for adding new items to your workspace. From this menu, select Form. This is where Monday.com allows you to create custom forms that can collect data from clients, team members, or anyone you share the form with. After selecting Form, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can set up your form. Here's where things get interesting. You'll notice a designated field where you can type a prompt. This prompt tells Monday.com what kind of form you want to create. For example, if you want to collect customer feedback or inquiries, you could type something like customer inquiries in this field. The prompt helps the system understand the purpose of your form and what kind of questions might be relevant. Once you've entered your prompt, click on Generate Preview. After clicking this, you'll need to wait just a few seconds while Monday.com processes your request and generates a preview of your form. During this time, the platform is analyzing your prompt and creating a form structure that matches what you're trying to collect. It's using AI to suggest questions and fields that make sense for your specific use case, which saves you a lot of time compared to building everything from scratch. When the preview finishes generating, you'll be able to see how your form looks and what fields have been included. Take a moment to review it and make sure it fits what you need. If it looks good and you're satisfied with the structure, go ahead and click Create Form. This finalizes the form and makes it available for you to share or embed wherever you need it. Once created, you can customize it further, add more questions, adjust field types, or change the design to match your brand. And that's it. You've successfully created a data collection form using Monday.com's AI-powered form builder, making it easy to gather information without spending time manually setting up each field. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.